Look at that. I know y'all see it. Look how juicy.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'll be making some lemon butter chicken. I'm using boneless, skinless thighs. So let's get started. So here I have boneless, skinless thighs. I have my spicy girl. You can use your favorite meat and poultry seasoning. I have my Kerrygold butter, some salt, and lemon. You're going to use the zest and the juice, all of it, including some slices down into the chicken. I have my brown sugar. So first, of course, you guys know I don't have I'm using my phone right now, so I already have my lemon zest down in there. I'm also going to use about 2 tablespoons of this spicy girl to, I think this is 5 boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Next, you want to add your brown sugar. I've been cooking a long time, so I eyeball, but of course, you guys, I have the perfect ingredient amounts in my description box. And of course, you want to add some salt because my spice is low in sodium. So once that's marinating, we're going to chop up this pineapple right here because we're going to put this into our frozen mango lemonade. So I have a whole pineapple here, and this is how I do it, y'all. I be butchering the hell out of these pineapples. Thankfully, my mom don't really watch my videos, so she wouldn't see it and kill me, but yeah, I know better than that. And yeah, just like this, and save your rinds because we're going to use those. Next, look at this butter, y'all. I love me some Kerrygold butter. It's like the best. And you want to melt this down real nice and, slow in your skillet. Then you want to start adding your chicken down in here, and you're going to brown it on each side. Once you brown the chicken on both sides, you're going to add the juice of the same exact lemon that you zested. You should get at least 2 to 3 tablespoons out of that. Remember those pineapple rinds? Yes, honey, I'm throwing it right down in there. And just add that little bit of extra flavor. You also want to add some lemon slices. Right here, I decided to fry up some sweet plantains. So that's going to go with my chicken with some salad. So once I covered the chicken, this is what happened. It made its own little juice. And what you're going to do is let it keep simmering until that juice reduces. And the sauce is just going to be delicious. And I'm going to finish this with some dried parsley. All right, on to the drink. There go my salad in the back. You're going to need some fresh basil. There goes my frozen mango, the pineapple we chopped up earlier, some ice, and my lemonade. And we're going to put it all into my blender just like this. I want to pour the lemonade right down in there. You could use store-bought lemonade, or you can make your own. You know that's lemon, water, sugar. And I'm going to blend it. And that's pretty much it. And y'all, this drink, y'all gonna know what I think at the end. Just keep on watching, y'all. This drink was so freaking good. Look how good this chicken. I can't. Only a few ingredients. Oh, I added a little dried parsley right at the end just for a little color. It's optional. It's not needed. So, look how juicy. Look at that. I know y'all see it. Look how juicy. Yes, ma'am. All right, let me stop playing around and try this for y'all. Oh Lord, this chicken is so lemony and delicious and moist. It cooked on the stovetop for probably 15 minutes. After I covered it and left it for 15 minutes. Child, look at that. Then you can see my spice on there. It's not hot. People think that my spice is hot because it's called Spice Girl. It's called Spice Girl because it's spicy. As in, it's delicious. It's flavorful. Alright, let's try this drink. Ooh. Let's try this drink. Mmm. First of all, forget that. If you don't try this drink, you gotta try this drink. The basil is just everything in here. Mmm. Alright, y'all, I'm about to finish my meal. And I'll catch y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.